Okay, so now, boys and girls, the next part of this, and again, we're still in Chapter 2, Lesson 5. Now we're going to deal with percent error. So, error, that's another way of saying mistake. It's a percent mistake. So, very simply, percent of error equals the amount of error over the actual amount. Times 100 to make it a percent. So, for example, have you ever seen those jars? Sometimes they have like jelly beans or something in them, and it says, you know, guess how many jelly beans.
Oh, I love my teacher. I love that game. I won that game one time.
It says, guess how many. Okay, so boys and girls, let's pretend that you guess, and let's pretend that you guess 300. But let's also pretend that the jar, the actual amount the jar has, is 400. So let's see what the percent error was, what the percent mistake was.
I think it's 100.
So, first of all, what was the error? Well, the actual amount was 400, and the guess was 300. So actual minus your guess, that's going to equal your error. So what was the actual error? How many of these things were you off by?
100.
You were off by 100. So now what we're going to do again is we take the amount, AMT is the abbreviation for that, the amount of error over the actual amount times 100. Filling in the numbers, the amount of error was 100. The actual amount was 400. So, what's 100 divided by 400? 0.025. And to make that into a percent, I multiply by 100. Means we were off by 25%. So there was a 25% error.